Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Toga token. Name of the token is Toga, ticker symbol is also Toga. Now this token is trending number 10 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Very popular token, gigantic market cap, but even bigger 24-hour trading volume. Super popular token today. And this token here also is just announced as getting at least one very big central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their webpage at togacoin.club, and over there you can find links to their socials, like they have a Twitter, a Telegram. You can also find links to the charts on their webpage. You can find this token listed on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, and of course SolScan, since this is a Solana meme coin. Now their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this token at Toga Sol. It says Toga community on the Solana blockchain. There's a link to their webpage right there. They just joined November 2024 on Twitter. 18 posts, 2,555 followers so far. And it says here that they just applied to be listed on CoinMarketCap. They have their application ID number on the on their Twitter here. They also just got listed on Poloniex, which is a central exchange. And it says here, full trading will be enabled tomorrow, November 10th, 4 a.m. UTC time on Poloniex. And it says here, today. So if you want to get the token today, it just got listed on a central exchange, 10:30 a.m. this morning, November 9th, which is today. They got listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Toga, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So I just see fired trending here. It says, I'm just trying to see. Oh, it says Trump might fire Powell today. I thought they were talking about Gary Gensler though, because I remember Trump at the Bitcoin conference said he's going to fire Gary Gensler if he gets elected. But then these people are talking about Powell here. And okay, so this is about a whole bunch of things. I thought it was because of Gary Gensler, but we'll see if Trump actually fires Gary Gensler now. But that's neither here nor there. We're talking about the Toga token. I got distracted by trending topics there. So it says launch stealth. This token here you can find on their webpage. It says just a goat wearing a toga. Tokenomics is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Contract renounced. 100% burnt LP. 0% buy and sell taxes. So if you wanted to get this token here, you can get it off Poloniex tomorrow, Mexc Global today, It also has partnerships with GateXT.com and a couple other places, so there may be more central exchanges coming soon. But you can also get this token in a decentralized way. So if you want to get it off a DEX like Raydium, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, any one of those wallets would do. You would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Toga token using the contract address you could find on their Twitter or on their webpage, togacoin.club. You won't have to set slippage because there's no taxes. There is going to be a small amount of gas fees, so just be aware of that. Now, their Telegram portal has 830 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. But that's going to be another great place to see updates regarding this token, along with the Twitter, like new partnerships, listing announcements, like if they get the Gate listing or xt.com. They're mostly retweeting all that stuff on their Twitter there and their CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap applications, all that stuff. So follow the socials. Now, this is a brand new token. The token pair was actually just created on Raydium 1 day, 2 hours ago. And get this, token has a market cap of $12 million already. And just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $54.7 million. Super popular project today. And they have $720,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to DEX Screener, 98.07% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price today is about 1.2 cents per token. They are trending number 10 right now on DEX Screener. They have here a quick audit on DEX Screener. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. Now, right now, they have 12,830 holders. A lot of holders in 1 day. Huge market cap. Now, they have another quick audit on DEX Tools by Quick Intel Security. And this one says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, those are both just quick audits. They're not full audits. They don't go over everything. You should always do your full research first before investing in anything. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.